Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add background image in container in Elementor, right? As you can see, I'm into Elementor and I'm editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, right? So here you can see we can create a new section by clicking on the plus icon in middle of the screen. So it is asking whether we want flex box or whether we want grid, right? Here I'm going to select the flex box, and here I'm going to select the first structure that is of one row and one column, right? And here the container has been created, and we can simply edit this container using this 6 dots getting displayed in the top of the container, right? So we are going to click on this 6 dots to edit the container, and here in the left side toolbar you can see there is layout, style and advanced. There are 3 kinds of settings, right? We are going into the style settings. So we have opened the style, and here there are again 4 kind of settings. The first one is background, the second one is background overlay, and the third one is border, and the fourth one is shape divider. Now we are going into the background settings, and here again in background settings there are 2 kind of sub settings. The first one is normal and the second one is hover. Right now we are just adding a background image as a normal, right? So here in the normal background type, here you can see there is an option of classic, gradient, video and slideshow. So we are going to select the classic one, and here we can simply either change the color of this container by clicking on this icon, and we can simply choose a color from color palette, and the container background color have been changed, right? But if you want to add image in the background, then you need to click on choose image, right? And here you can simply add any of the image and click on select, and as you can see the image have been added, but the image size is somehow different and the container height is somehow different. That's why image is not getting displayed properly, right? Full image is not getting displayed, right? So here you need to scroll down little bit, and here in the display size you need to select as cover, right? So we have selected as cover, but still no changes have been done. So you need to scroll up in and go to the layout settings, and here you need to increase the height of this container, right? But make sure to change it to the cover, else what would happen I will also tell you. Okay, so let me do this kind of height. Okay, so we have changed our height of the container to like 422 pixels, and now going back to the style, I just want to move this image, right, a little bit above in the upper direction. Okay, scrolling into the style settings, and here there is an option of position. We are going to select a custom position, and here in the y-axis I'm just increasing the number. So as you can see the image is going down, and when we move in this side we have made it to minus 239 pixel, and as you can see the image is showing over here in such a manner, right? So if we have not selected this display size as cover and it was default, then might be this kind of image we can see, like our image is showing 4 times, right? So that's why I just change it to cover before adjusting the height of the container, so that my image can be properly added, right? Here as you can see there is a little bit image again repeating, so I'm just going to increase it, the by position to like 200 minus 202 pixels. So this is how you can simply add background image in container in Elementor on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with tutorials, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.